do not know the last time that I've done my hair. Ooh, look at this pimple. I don't remember the last time I've done my hair myself. Oh, this is gonna be traumatizing. Ah. Oh, I hate doing hair. All right. So I prayed. I prayed before doing my hair because I'm like, God, it's been so long since I've done my hair by myself. I'm gonna need your strength, your grace, and your mercy to help me get this done. And I'm gonna find out how long it's been since the last time I touched my hair. But my hair was matted, but the process was actually super easy for somebody that went way more than a month of doing their hair. So let's see, I'm about to put some doodle plaits in it and call it a day. But yeah, I pray even the small things so that it could be super smooth and easy, and washing my hair actually was. So I am working on twisting my hair, just the protective hairstyle. I am using the Haitian Hair Butter and the mist. Haitian Hair Butter and the mist. So you guys could see me real quick. If you guys saw the stories, I haven't touched my own hair personally. I almost want to say in 9 years. I do not like doing hair. It's funny, all my kids love doing their own hair, including my son. He will detangle, wash, and he has a lot of hair. And my girls love doing their own hair, but me, I hate doing hair. So here I am doing my own hair. And it's not as bad as I thought it was going to be. My hair is super, super thick, but the two things I love to use consistently is the herbal hair mist and the Haitian hair butter.